Welcome everybody to Carol's art room. I'm going to do a bloom today with some pretty blues and purple. First I'll pour down my house paint. So today is going to be light blue violet by Basics, Deco Art sky blue topaz and baby blue mixed together. Just going to check the consistency. This one seems to thicken up on me. That's pretty good. And I've got some Amsterdam permanent blue violet. I have this little piggy indigo waves. It's a really pretty color. Needs a little bit of water, I think. And I have some silver. It's a Deco Art Extreme Sheen Silver. Okay, so let's put down some of this violet. This is opaque, so I'm going to put it first. Oh, why is it thickened up on me again? Jeez. Some paints take more water than others. It's mixed with my pouring medium, and the recipe's in the description under the video. Still not, it's better. All right, now the lighter blue. This purple did thicken up on me. It's a little thick too. The indigo. And the silver. I'm gonna poke out this. Well, that indigo is really pretty. I always use black cell activator, but I don't know. I think sometimes I don't like white. I find black works better. Maybe I'll use both. How's that? Excuse me. I got a lot of paint on there. Let's see if I can Holy. Turn it down a bit. Holy, this has a big flame. It's a new one. I'm gonna try this again. Okay, let's get these cell activators going. All right, let's put down some white. Some black. Whoa, isn't that pretty? It's a lot of black though. I don't want to do that. That's very pretty. Okay. Let's modify this. I'll modify it with my swirls. There, and I came in closer than I normally do. Oh, those colors are beautiful, especially with that silver around the edges. Oh, I just love it. I should try a transfer swipe in these colors. Well, let's see if it's moving. Always the middle is stuck. All right, let's give this a spin. Oh, isn't that pretty? Yeah, I think I'm glad I put the black in. It gives a nice contrast. Maybe another spin. There, now the middle's going. Okay. Okay. Wow, I only needed 2 spins. That's pretty good. Got too much off there, but it's hardly moving. There, I think I'm going to leave it. I think it'll be fine. I like the little white spots on the corners, and there you go. I'll hold it up so you can see a better shot of it. There. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody. Come back to Carole's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Comment below. Check out my description under my video, and you'll see some recipes and other video links. Have a good day. Bye. Hi everybody. Here's my dried bloom tile, 6x6 tile. It's very pretty. I just love these colors. Great blues and purples, wow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.